Getting closer to politics, the State Parliament of North Rhine-Westphalia breaks new grounds with its visitor centre. Embedded in the circular premises of the Parliament's building, a unique spatial experience is created by a room-high 240-degree projection, together with a sophisticated 3D sound system. The visitors immerse into the political progress, which is presented in an informative, comprehensible, and entertaining way. 8 media stations react to the visitors via sensors and provide their information on the screen. Broad knowledge about North Rhine-Westphalia, its state parliament, and the process of legislation is provided. Even complex content is made accessible in a playful way. The visitors choose the specific topics via joystick controllers or touch-sensitive keys to receive more and more details. Finally, the visitors can draw up a delegate's fictional plan for the week and are invited to check their requirements in the State Parliament quiz. The presentation modes change at regular intervals. A 10-minute panorama film allows the visitors to immerse into the world of the delegates, both emotionally and directly. Thanks to the surprisingly precise camera shots, filmed in 360 degrees with a native resolution of 10,000 by 2,000 pixels, the visitors are under the impression that they are right in the middle of a parliamentary debate.
North Rhine-Westfalen hat nicht dazu Ja gesagt und ich wünsche...
Und das ist vor allen Dingen auch wichtig.
Wer soll denn an dieses Regierungswunder vom Rhein glauben?
They take part in the political events of the state and adopt the perspective of a delegate inside the circular assembly hall. The film can be played in sign language or in English on demand. For visitor groups, the visitor service of the State Parliament also offers individually guided tours. An extendable podium serves as the ideal platform for presentations. Via iPad, the presenter can choose from the prepared contents or up-to-date information for the large screen. The media stations can also be retracted in order to make space for events. In guided tours, freely accessible, or as a venue for events, the new visitor center is a forum for encounters and information. Because politics concerns all of us.